Hey, deep divers, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Absolutely. Let's do it.
Okay, so today we're looking at something that, I'll be honest, I kind of glossed over at
Oh,
first.
yeah. What's that?
X's new privacy policy. You know, the thing everyone scrolls past and just clicks agree.
Ah, I see where you're going with this. Seems boring, but
Exactly. It's
yeah.
actually huge EE.
Ah,
Like, could really shake things up huge. We're talking AI, data harvesting, the whole shebang. Luckily, we've got this article breaking it all down. And wow, there's a lot to unpack.
yeah, no kidding. It's dense. Where do we even start with this?
Right. Okay, so the big headline, the thing everyone's freaking out about, is how X is going to use our data.
Yeah, so starting November 15th, get this, they can use your posts to train their AI.
Wait, so all those tweets I regret posting.
The replies, even your DMs.
No way, DMs too. They're saying they can use all that.
It's in the article, yeah, to train their AI models, they're saying.
Okay, well, AI needs data, right? That's how it learns.
Sure, but it's not just X's AI we're talking about. This is where it gets really interesting. The article mentions something about third-party collaborators.
Third-party collaborators. What's that supposed to mean?
Basically, companies X partners with. The policy says they can share your data with them, too, to train their AI models.
Okay, hold on. That's vague, and not in a good way. Like, who are these collaborators? What are they doing with our data? It's kind of creepy when you think about it.
It is, especially since there's no information on how to opt out.
Oh, there's no opt-out. That's not good.
Well, the policy says users can opt out, but right now there's literally no way to do it in your settings.
Classic. A little bait and switch.
Maybe they'll add the option before November, but who knows?
I mean, I kind of doubt they'd just forget, right? With all the attention this is getting.
You'd hope not, but you never know. And that's not even the scariest part. Remember how X used to have data retention limits?
Vaguely. What were those again?
They used to say they would only keep your data for 18 months max.
Oh, right. And now,
They got rid of that part entirely.
so even if you delete your account, they could still have your stuff.
Yeah.
Indefinitely.
Seems that way, yeah.
That's unsettling. Makes you wonder, are other social media platforms doing the same?
I was just thinking the same thing. And actually, the article mentions a similar situation with Reddit.
Really? What happened?
So apparently, Reddit struck a deal with Google. They're letting Google use public posts to train their AI for search results.
Huh. Interesting. I mean, it's a little different, right? Because it's just public posts.
True, but it still raises concerns about consent and transparency. And remember all those subreddits that went dark a few months back?
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah.
To protest something about data scraping, wasn't it?
Exactly. It just goes to show how much people care about this stuff and how this isn't just an X problem, it's an everyone problem.
We're all just data points now. Our thoughts, our opinions, our entire online lives, they're all fuel for the AI engine.
And the engine keeps getting bigger. So what does this all mean for the average person scrolling through their feed? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Right. So what do we do besides, like, delete all our accounts and live off the grid?
Well, that's always an option.
Tempting. But seriously.
Seriously, the first step is awareness. Read the privacy policies, even if they seem boring. Pay attention to how your data is being used.
Easier said than done. Right?
It is, but it's important. We need to start thinking about these things. Ask yourself, how comfortable are you with your data being used this way? And if you're not comfortable, are you willing to make changes?
Wow. Okay, that's a lot to think about.
It is, but hey, that's what deep dives are for, right?
Right. Food for thought, folks.
Mm-hmm.
We'll leave you with that. Go check your privacy settings. Maybe think twice before you post that rant. And join us next time for another deep dive.